Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're really glad that you're watching our YouTube channel, or go to our site mumfordrestoration.com and let us know what we can restore for you. Today we're looking at pieces that have just come in for restoration, and you can see that this is a 1935 Mohair sofa, and it has a really interesting wood flat trim and very detailed legs. And the frame is in a very bad disrepair. In fact, it had some rodents inside. It has the inner spring cushions, and you can see that it's a very coarse mohair. And so we're going to be completely rebuilding the frame, restoring the wood, of course replacing all the stuffing, and bringing it back to full reupholstery, and it'll go into the same color, like a wine color, very strong velvet. And so this is quite a project. This is not an everyday thing that happens for customers, but we sure want to bring this piece back. It's going to go into a bed and breakfast here in downtown Raleigh. So we are excited to show you this along the way. Please visit our site, mumfordrestoration.com, and let us know what we can restore for you. Thank you. Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and we're proud to show you the next result of our craftsman's work. This is a 1930s original mohair sofa. You can see some of the photos in our album about how it was completely rebuilt. We had to rebuild the wood frame. We had to completely take off every bit of stuffing, every bit of cotton, and completely replace it, reglue the frame, and get everything ready for reupholstery, refinish all of the wood. And you can see now that it has turned out as a beautiful result, and it feels and has the reflection of mohair with that kind of fibery feel, and it has a nap to it. So we're very proud of this result. I think that the customer will be thrilled. Thanks for watching.